Welcome to my channel, folks. Today I'm going to show you how you can use AWS CLI. You sometimes need AWS CLI to interact with your Amazon resources through the command line mode. Maybe it is for accessing some files in your S3 bucket or using S3 bucket as a destination for a backup or a synchronization or a remote storage. It might even be configuring your resources using CLI. So CLI has a multiple use cases, and you can use it in a Linux machine or you can use it in a Windows machine. So in today's demo, I'm going to show you how you can do this on your Linux machine. I have set up a Linux machine in my on-premise setup. Let us go ahead and see that now. So here I have a Red Hat 7.4 server running one of the latest kernels. So we are going to use this server to install our AWS CLI, and the commands that I am going to run now will be in the description field, and you can go ahead and follow them with the help of those commands. So we will also need an access to IAM access key and secure key. If you don't have one, register them and keep it in handy so that you can configure your AWS CLI. So before I go ahead and install anything, I just want to show you that currently there is the AWS CLI package is not there. So the best way to test it is if you type in AWS and press enter, it will give you a prompt saying the command not found. So let me just download the package first. So the curl command is going to download my package, and then we will need unzip package to open the zip file and then install it. So if unzip is not there, I will show you how to install it as well. So to install the unzip package, all we have to do is m-y install unzip, and it is going to search my repository, and if it is not there, it is going to install it for us. So that has completed installation. So I'm just going to take the name of the package, and then I'm going to do unzip followed by the package name. So now that has been done, and the last step is to install the bundle itself. So the command to install it is here. Let us go ahead and install it now. So once it is completed installation, we can go ahead and run the AWS CLI command and see whether it has been successfully installed by checking the version, and then we'll go ahead and configure the access key and secure key after that. So it is completed installation. I'm going to check the version, AWS -- version, and we see here that is one of the latest versions available or released by Amazon. So if I do AWS now, it will tell me that these are my command options, and I can go ahead and start using it. So if I do AWS S3 ls to list my buckets, and it will tell me that there are credentials or not there. So to configure it, what I'm going to do is AWS configure and put in my access key now. So I have put in my access key now, and then I'm going to enter my secure key, and then I'm going to put in the region as AP South. Your preferred region can be anything which is nearest to you, and the default output is none. Let us go ahead and list my buckets. So if I want to access the contents of any bucket, all I have to do is AWS S3 ls and followed by the bucket name. Here in this case, I'm going to use the AWS CLI demo bucket, and it is going to list me the object that was stored in that bucket. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.